Oh, here's a new kind of video for us. I mean, it's gonna go in with the rest of the 3D printing stuff. But we have my Elegoo Neptune 3 Plus here. These things are freaking monstrous. This is actually my first ever 3D printer. And I would actually recommend it to anyone that was just getting into the hobby. But what we're doing right now is we're printing modifications for this little thing. This is my second ever printer, the Tina2 Basic, which is way more basic than this thing. But I find this little thing neat. I've already printed these feet for it, but we're not going to be able to use those anymore because this is what we're working on. We're going to be printing this whole base here and putting this big drawer in, mainly putting the big drawer in to house all these things that I use to clean up prints and stuff like that. So yeah, now we'll just sit here and wait for the process to work out. Now this piece here that we're printing will be the part that covers this, that covers the belt. And we've been going for almost an hour now, even though the actual time on this print said it would take like an hour and a half. I do have this thing bumped up to 300% speed, or whatever they say, whatever they call that. So we're going a lot faster than probably what we should be going. But I've got this machine pretty dialed in. When it comes to leveling, if you can get your hands on one of these little tools for leveling these things, my buddy Brian gave me this one. It makes a world of difference. I've actually done some mods for the Neptune too, as well. These little feet. The two in the front were printed by the machine itself. The two that are in the back were printed by the Tina. And then, well, as you can see, it doesn't look like a regular Neptune because it's got blower fan upgrades. And then we have our filament detector on this little thing here. And that right there, here, I'll see if I can get you a better angle of that. It's a belt tensioner. But that belt tensioner is actually meant for a Neptune 4, but it does work on a 3 Plus. And then these pieces are actually to hold this on when I feel like using it. It diffuses the light because these LEDs that come in these Neptunes are freaking bright, man. Okay, all finished printing, and now I guess this thing just... Okay, and that's the belt covered for this motor. On to the next piece. Okay, well, there's the base of it. When it printed the supports, it was kind of fucky, so I actually had to heat this up and try to form it to fit. And then I broke some of the teeth on this side, but it's all right. It took 25 hours and 13 minutes to print that, and next we got to do the drawer. There's the drawer. It doesn't actually fit. Well, it didn't actually fit in the thing. I had to chop this up and then add adhesive. But now we're going to see if it actually fits together. So altogether, it took me, I think, almost 40 hours to print this whole thing. And this is the result I got, which is not that great. But anybody that has, the same machine, better machine, hell, even an older machine that's better tuned, is going to have more success than I am. I just kind of sliced this poorly, and that's why I got what I got. Yep, there we go. It's not the most functional thing in the world, and it's certainly not the prettiest thing. But, it works.